YouTube, hey, what going on, man? Hey, it's your boy Young KD back at it again.
Hey, y'all already know what time it is. Hey, today I'm gonna teach y'all how to turn y'all trash to gold. I'm gonna teach y'all how to turn y'all bad sounding songs
into straight gas.
Hey, cause 9 times out of 10 your song ain't bad, your mix is bad. Hey, so let me show y'all right now.
Lay your ass down, lay your ass down, lay your ass down. This not a tornado drill, you better hit the ground. Yeah, I was getting drunk on a fucking Greyhound.
Nigga be playing with pounds, nigga be shooting arounds, nigga be playing with pounds, nigga be shooting arounds,
Lay your ass down, lay your ass down, lay your ass down. Let's go. This not a tornado drill, you better hit the ground. Yeah, I was getting drunk on a fucking Greyhound.
Nigga be playing with pounds, nigga be shooting arounds, nigga be playing with pounds, nigga be shooting arounds.
Hey, y'all heard that example, man? That's one of the songs I made a long time ago. Y'all heard how that song sounded raw, man? It sounded raw. You feel me? It sounded nasty. It didn't sound good. But once I mixed it up and threw a nice preset on it, started sounding real good. Hey, man, so let me show y'all how I can mix y'all vocals to get it to turn from to
yeah.
Okay, so the first thing I do, when I'm trying to bring one of my songs back to life and I'm mixing the song, I pay attention to the levels down here at the bottom and make sure I'm not getting in the red or clipping.
Lay your ass down, lay your ass down, lay your ass down. Let's go. This not a tornado.
Hey, I already explained this plenty of times in other videos, but if you haven't seen those, if it's turning red at the bottom, that means your song is distorting and it won't sound good, man. So we got a gain stage, turn the beat down some, and get the vocals at a healthy level. Hey, when it comes to mixing the song and making the song sound good, it's not all about the vocals, man. The beat gotta sound good, the beat gotta be tamed. Hey, some parts of the beat might just be way too loud to the point your vocals can't fit in. Hey, so I'm gonna show y'all what I did on this beat and show y'all what y'all can do on y'all's. Okay, so as y'all see, we took a little bit of that 200 hertz out. Hey, that's what an extra bass is in the instrumental. And if the bass is just overpowering your instrumental, if the bass is just overpowering your voice in the instrumental, turn the 200 down some a little bit and you'll hear the clarity start to pop out. And also that 1.6K, that's where the melodies and the instruments in the instrumental are. So by turning that down, it'll carve a little pocket for your vocals to sit in a little better. Hey, so that's exactly what I did, man. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, man, now it's time to record. Hey, so you just go ahead and record. Simple as that. And you add 2 voice tracks so you can have the ability to punch in. Hey, after that, we throw the preset on both of the punch in tracks. We throw any preset that we want. Hey, just so the vocals can sound good while we mixing the song. And once we done recording all the vocals, we come back and edit the preset to make it sound good for us. Let me show y'all the process of that right now. Hey, to be completely honest, I started this preset off with the Migos preset. I just tweaked it up to make it sound perfect for my microphone. Hey, so this is what I did. The first thing I did, I started tweaking up the EQ. Hey, because 9 times out of 10, everybody not using the same microphone, so the EQ gonna need adjustment. So this is what I do. Hey, so looking back at the graphic EQ, we took out some more of that bass out of that 100, that low end rumble that you can't really hear too much. It's just taking up space, so we took that out. Hey, man, we took a lot of that 3.2K out. Hey, that 3.2K, that's where a lot of the harshness in the vocal lives. Hey, my vocal sounded really harsh, so I took about negative 6.5 out. Hey, the rest, man, you can see. So basically just change that EQ up until it sounds perfect. Hey, man, that's why we got these presets, so we can tweak them up. Hey, next up on the preset, we look at the exciter. Hey, on the exciter, if you don't got enough brightness, turn the mix amount up. If you got too much brightness, just slide the mix amount down into the negative. Hey, it's that simple, man. Hey, that's just what I do when I edit up my presets. I either add brightness, take brightness out, or keep it the same, man. So that's all you would do. It just move that little slider right here, the mix slider. And you in the game, man. Slide it till you get the perfect amount. Hey, next up, we got the tape simulator. This gonna come in clutch with your preset. If your vocals still sound thin, I would boost the drive up some on this tape simulator until it sounds more full. If your vocals sound a little too thick, a little too full, you know what I'm saying? Turn the drive down on the tape simulator some. Hey, it's that simple, man. I ain't gotta go into detail too much with that. Next up, we got the de-esser, man. Hey, I ain't changed the de-esser up. Like I told y'all, man, this is a sweet spot. It usually sounds good off rip like this. Around that 5500 hertz range. You already know what the de-esser does. It doesn't get rid of your S's, but it softens them and makes them more easy to hear. Makes it sound better inside of your mix overall. Next up, we got the 2 compressors. We got the compression. To be honest, I think I left the compression alone. It sounded pretty good. It sounded like it fitted inside the mix pretty good. So we left the compression alone. But y'all know how to edit the compression if y'all need it. Just take some away or add some. Simple as that. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure I left everything else how it was. But y'all know what to do, man. Hey, just move things around. It sounds crazy. It sounds so simple, but honestly, that's exactly what I do. And make sure you mixing with headphones, man. Don't mix off your phone speaker. You gotta have some good quality headphones. Some iPhone headphones or a little higher end headphones if you can. I mix with the iPhone headphones and it comes out sounding pretty good every time, so, you know what I'm saying? Next thing we wanna do is we wanna start shaping this beat for our vocals. Because you're not just gonna blend in with that beat off rip. You gotta, you know what I'm saying? You gotta do a little finesse and a little EQ. So let me show y'all the process of that. Hey man, thank y'all for tuning in, man. Hey, I wanna give a big shout out to y'all and thank all y'all for watching the video, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, plenty new content coming soon. I got a Juice WRLD preset coming up soon, an updated one. I was gonna do the little Uzi one, but I don't know if they're gonna copyright me. So I'm gonna see what they do first. Hey, y'all stay tuned in, man. Let's go, roll to 8,000.
Whoa. Erica, is Lucas in there? Where is he?
Lay your ass down, lay your ass down, lay your ass down. This not a tornado drill, you better hit the ground. Yeah, I was getting drunk on a fucking Greyhound. Nigga be playing with pounds,
Nigga be shooting around,
Nigga be playing with pounds,
Nigga be shooting around,
Nigga be playing with pounds,
Nigga be shooting around,
Real street nigga, yeah, I'm streeter than the ground. Probably one of the trillest niggas that you done found. Never told all my niggas or anybody in my town.
Thought that boy was a wide receiver, how we caught these rounds.
Niggas be playing around, I am the king, where is my crown? I got my crown, but I keep that shit safe, nigga. Run into them bands like it was a chase, nigga. Lay a finger on KD, I call them grave diggers. Put a bag on your head, my money way bigger. About 100 grand, call me money man. Cooler than a AC,
Cooler than a fan.
told them folk to pay me, I need my advance. Tryna run off on me, you don't stand a chance. You don't stand a chance, buddy, what the fuck you thought? Money don't make you real, I don't care about what you bought. Stack my cash up, finna put it in a vault. Stack my cash up, finna put it in a vault.
Stack the cash all the way. Stack the cash to the top. Stack the cash all the way. Tell your baby to give the top.
Lay your ass down, lay your ass down, lay your ass down. This not a tornado drill, you better hit the ground. Yeah, I was getting drunk on a fucking Greyhound.
Nigga be playing with pounds, Nigga be shooting around, Nigga be playing with pounds, Nigga be shooting around,